Domaine de la Clapière is in south of France, in Languedoc, between Béziers and Montpellier, next to Pézenas, which is the town of Molière. The domain is on 60 hectares. We have 45 hectares of vineyard with different varieties of grapes. Domaine de la Clapière has a great history, starts during Roman century. At this time, the domain was yet a big villa with probably vineyard and also olive oil. Few centuries later, the domain was a stop on Santiago de Compostela road, and the domain, as we can see now, is really from the end of 17th centuries. Domaine de la Clapière is on Terra-Vitis certification since 2010. It's a big choice from ourselves because we really think we need to preserve the environment for the next generations. And Terra-Vitis is a way to do sustainable viticulture, but also to really think not only the ground part, but also all the different actions that you can do in the vineyard, in the winery, and also when you do bottling. A few words about Gattefer. Gattefer is made with Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, and a touch of Shiraz. Gattefer is coming from selected parcels where we do less grapes to have more concentration. After it passed between 11 and 14 months in French barrels, not to bring wood for wood, but really to bring complexity in the mouth, but also in the aromatic. About the color first. As you can see, we have a really deep red color, which is quite typical from south of France because we have a lot of sun. About the aromatics, we are on black currant mainly, red fruits of course, but also the Shiraz bring really Mediterranean style with black olives and also Mediterranean herbs. In mouth, we have a really profound wine with complexity, very powerful, but also with softness. It's a wine which really goes with food because it's so powerful that it can go perfectly with red meat, but also meat in sauce. So if we have to remember only one thing about Domaine de la Clapière, I think it could be the pleasure to be here and this pleasure that we can find in all the different wines.